Imagine walking on tiles that feel like ice. Slipping and falling can lead to serious injuries, but there's a solution. A long-lasting non-slip tile treatment can change everything. Unlike traditional coatings, this treatment penetrates deep into the tile, creating a durable bond that won't wear off. Think about it. No more worrying about wet floors or slippery surfaces. This treatment works on various tile types, including ceramic, porcelain, and even natural stone. It enhances grip without altering the tile's appearance. Surprisingly, it's also eco-friendly. No harmful chemicals are involved, making it safe for homes and businesses alike. The application process is quick and efficient, allowing you to get back to your daily routine without disruption. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your family and guests are safe. With this treatment, you can enjoy your stylish tiles without fear. It's time to take action and transform your space. Say goodbye to slips and hello to safety. Your floors deserve the best protection available. This is a game changer for anyone looking to improve safety in their home or business. Choose a company with certified technicians and decades of experience in safety products. Call 0404200088 or make an online inquiry via nonslip.com.eu.